How to spot fake Nikes. Nike shoes are popular items for counterfeiters to reproduce. If you're not careful, you might wind up buying fake sneakers for the price of a real pair. This WikiHow will give you tips on how to spot fake Nikes. 10-second summary 1. Avoid online sellers that use stock images or terms like custom or variant. 2. Avoid Nike shoes priced far below their normal value. 3. Check the packaging. Most fake shoes won't come in the original box. 4. Compare the condition and quality to an existing pair of Nike shoes. 5. Make sure that the SKU numbers on the box and the labels inside the shoes match. Method 1. Buying Nike shoes online. 1. Investigate Nike shoe sellers on the internet. Be extremely cautious when purchasing Nike shoes on the internet. Since you don't actually have the physical product in front of you, you can very easily be throwing money at a fake shoe. To avoid purchasing a fake, read website ratings and reviews before buying anything. Bad reviews is an obvious sign that the seller is not reliable or reputable. However, be careful because some sites will choose to only show good reviews. Do a third-party search by inputting the seller in a third-party search site and examining their reputation there instead of on the seller's site. Ensure you are protected from fraud. Some online websites provide their customers with a return policy, even if the seller is a third party of the site. Having security that you will get your money back will protect you losing if you do happen to purchase fake Nike shoes. 2. Avoid sellers that substitute stock shoe photos for pictures of actual Nike shoes. A stock shoe photo is more aesthetically appealing, but it's not what you should be looking for when purchasing shoes online. A photo that is obviously shot within a home ensures that the pair actually exists and its condition can be matched with the photo. You could try to contact the seller and ask them to take another photo of the shoe with an item that determines the date or authenticity of the photo. For example, ask the seller to take a photo of the shoe next to today's newspaper. 3. Avoid items that claim to be custom, variant, or sample Nike shoes. True Nike shoe samples only come in men's US size 9, 10, 11, women's 7, and children's 3.5. There are also no such real Nike shoes that are custom or variant. View the seller's entire inventory. For unknown reasons, counterfeiters tend not to sell US sizes 9 or 13 and above. Older Nike shoes that are out of production are almost never available in a full sizing run. For example, if you're searching for a pair of vintage Nikes and find a site that has a stock of 200, they are likely fakes. 4. Avoid Nike shoes priced far below their normal value. The shoe is either fake or extremely damaged. Generally, a Nike shoe that is priced in half is most likely fake. A reasonable discount is more realistic, especially if the shoe is a limited edition or vintage. A seller might price it extremely high and offer you the chance to haggle to a ridiculously low price. Be careful, especially since you don't have the physical shoe to verify its state and existence. Check the shipping estimation. If it will take between 7 and 14 days to deliver your shoes, they are likely traveling from China, a verified source of fake Nike shoes, or from another distant country. If you must order Nikes online, it's best to purchase them directly from the company's website or from the list of authorized Nike retailers. 5. Don't buy shoes that are available before the official release date. It is almost guaranteed that any shoe available before the official release date will be a counterfeit. These shoes may look like an upcoming design but are most likely modeled very closely to look like it. Early release photos allow counterfeits to be produced without originals to be compared with, and many people fall into the trap of attempting to get their hands on a pair before everyone else. 6. Verify your Nike shoes. Once you find shoes you like, take more steps to verify their authenticity. Double-check with Nike or a trusted retailer's website to compare them with an image of the original shoe. Ask the seller to verify that the shoes are authentic. You can also ask for their supplier's contact information for further information. Method to spot fake Nike shoes physically. 1. Examine the packaging. Most fake Nike shoes do not come in an original Nike box. Instead, they are shrink, wrapped in clear plastic, or don't come in a box at all. Most of the boxes for fake Nikes are hastily glued together and therefore not as sturdy as true Nike boxes. 2. Examine the condition of the shoes. If you have owned similar Nike shoes in the past, compare them to your new shoes. If the two pairs significantly differ in quality, your new shoes are likely fake and may fall apart within the first several days of use. Real Nikes are always softer and grayer than fake ones. This is because they are made from real leather, while fake Nikes are manufactured from pleather. The midsoles of fake Nike shoes tend to have visible dots from the manufacturing process, unlike real Nikes. Check the lacing. Real Nike shoes are usually fully laced, while fakes tend to skip every other lacing hole. 3. Examine the SKU number on the box and the labels inside of the shoes. Every pair of authentic Nike shoes comes with an SKU number that is identical to the SKU number on their box. If the numbers are missing or do not match, they are likely fakes. Check the tongue label. Often, fake Nike manufacturers put outdated sizing labels on the inside of the shoe. For example, a fake label may tell you the shoe was designed in 2008 when in fact Nike first manufactured that item in 2010. 4. Try the shoes on. The soles of most fake Nike sneakers feel plastic, white, and don't have much traction, while real Nike shoes have BRS 1000 rubber soles. Most fake Nike sneakers do not fit true to size. They generally are 1-2 size smaller and significantly narrower than real Nikes. Try the same Nike shoe in a trusted retailer to get an accurate reading of how it feels. Tips. Report stores or retailers selling fake Nikes by emailing Nike. This will help others from purchasing fake Nikes in the future. Ask Nike store staff to help you verify that whether a shoe is authentic or not. Unfortunately, Nike is not responsible for shoes sold by third-party retailers or unauthorized retailers and will not be able to issue you a refund or compensation.